guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm about to make some natural ginger juice and I'm going to show you exactly what I am going to do. First of all, I'm going to use 5 pieces of ginger and I'm going to peel these ginger, wash them properly, cut them up in small chunks, put them in my blender. Then I'm going to add a good amount of water to my ginger and then I'm going to blend my ginger. When I finish blending my ginger, I'm going to juice my ginger and then add my ingredients. So I'm about to peel my ginger now and then you'll see the result of it later on, okay? My ginger is finished peeled and I am about to wash my ginger. I'm washing my ginger 3 times to make sure my ginger is properly washed. My ginger is clean and nice, just ready for cutting up. So I am going to cut up my ginger now. I'm going to wash my cutting board to make sure everything is properly clean before I use my cutting board. So my cutting board is all clean and ready to use, as you can see. I am going to cut up my ginger now in small pieces. I finished cut up all my ginger in small pieces, and I am going to put my ginger in my bowl. I'm going to give my blender a good rinse. And I'm going to add my ginger to my blender. I'm going to add enough water to cover my ginger. And I am going to put my ginger to blend. As you can see, it's nicely blending. My ginger is finished blend. It don't take long for blending. Just my ginger is finished blend. So I am going to strain my ginger. So I'm going to wash my bowl. Make sure it's all clean, very clean, before I strain my ginger. So I'm giving my bowl a good rinse, make sure it's all clean, and then get ready for straining my juice. This is my strainer what I use to strain my juice. I am about to strain my juice now. As you can see, it's nicely coming out. My juice is nicely coming out. I'm just using a spoon to get rid of the rest of my juice, because I just want to make sure all my juice is out. So I'm using a spoon, and I'm just giving my spoon a good rinse to make sure everything is all cleaned and hygienic. So I'm just using my spoon to get rid of the rest of my juice. And as you can see, my juice is nicely coming out. It's all looking good, looking very healthy, looking very, very good. This juice is really, really healthy. All my juice is out. The juice is looking really, really good. I'm going to give my blender another rinse, and I am going to strain my juice at least 3 times to make sure that I get rid of everything so that there's no bits left in this juice. So I'm making sure all the bits are out of my juice. As you can see, my strainer is all clean, so all the bits are out. The juice is properly strained. There's no bits in my juice. So I have finished straining my juice, so I am going to add my ingredients to my juice. I've got 3 lemons, and I'm going to use all 3 lemons in my ginger juice. So I'm going to wash these lemons, cut them in 2 halves, and then I'm going to add them to my ginger juice. I'm just adding my lemon now to my ginger juice. And I'm going to make sure squeeze my lemon until all the juice are out. But there's no more juice. That's the way my lemon looks. So I cut my lemon in 2 halves, and then I add my lemon to my juice. I finish add my lemons to my juice. I'm going to add some honey to my juice to give it a bit of taste. Not too much honey. So I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of honey to my juice, just to give it a bit of taste. You can add more honey if you like. The taste is entirely up to you. But I'm only adding 2 tablespoons. And then I'm just giving it a stir to combine all the ingredients together. Just give it a taste. Mmm, very tasty, very nice, very healthy. Wow, look at that. That is so beautiful, very lovely, and it's very tasty, and it's very good for your health. This juice is a very healthy juice. If you like, you can have a glass first thing in morning and a glass last thing at night before you go to bed. This juice is very healthy. It's good for your skin and it gives you energy. This juice is very healthy. I would highly recommend this juice to anybody. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like this juice, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and share. Thank you for watching this video. I am out of here. Bye.